Hey you guys, what's going on? It's your big dreamer and doer, G Dinero, coming to you today to break down the trade. This time it's an April 4th, not April Fool's, April 4th MicroStrategy 235 short put. But first, remember, none of this is tax, legal, financial, investment advice. It's your buddy G Dinero helping you understand the charts a little bit better and learn how to trade options like a pro. So with no further ado, let's jump right in. So remember, last week on Thursday, we sold a 340 covered call on MicroStrategy expiring this Friday, March the 14th. And then MicroStrategy tanked over the week, or Bitcoin tanked over the weekend. MicroStrategy tanked this morning. We bought that call back, remember, for a $1,125 profit. Now, today, with that drop in price, MicroStrategy went down and started to tag the 200-day moving average. That's the yellow line that you see here on the chart. The yellow line that you see down there on the chart with the yellow circle around it, that was right around $235 at the time. So what did we do? Well, we looked at this and said MicroStrategy has dropped all the way down to the 200-day moving average. Below that, there's support at $218, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level. Also, we have the $200 psychological support level, which had been the previous all-time high back from March of 2024. So that should act as a very strong level of support. So that's the psychology going into the trade. We see this MicroStrategy pull back hard all the way down to this, this level of support that we're currently at, the 200-day moving average, and realize that it could go down further, but likely only as far as $200, right? So we sell the April 4th MicroStrategy $235 put because its premium spiked to $31.90. So we're able to sell this for $30. Our limit order of $30 easily got taken out today. The break even on this trade is $205. How do you calculate that? The $235 strike minus the $30 premium that we collected for selling the $235 put. Now, what are we agreeing to when we sell the $235 put? We're agreeing to buy somebody else's shares of MicroStrategy for $235 a share. But remember, we subtract out the premium that we collect up front, which is $30 a share or $3,000, and that lowers the cost of those shares to $205 if we do get assigned those shares and we elect to take possession of them by the expiration date of April the 4th. So what's the rationale? Why would we do this? Well, number one, I'd buy 100 more shares of MicroStrategy if it dropped to $200 anyways. And number two, I believe that 200 is strong support. So buying them at 200 or 205 for me is irrelevant. Number three, I would pocket $3,000 if MicroStrategy goes up and I don't get assigned those shares. So as long as it closes above $235 a share, I won't get assigned the shares anyway, and I keep the entire $30 share premium. And number four, it only ties up $23,500 in margin or cash if it's a cash secured put. So either margin or cash for 25 days. That's a 12.8% return on our investment. That's 30 or $3,000, $30 a share, $3,000 divided by the $23,500 that we tie up during this time period. 3,000 divided by 23,500 is 12.8% return. And lastly, I do believe in Bitcoin still. I believe in MicroStrategy. I believe that both will start going up later this month. So it might not be next week or the following one, but by the end of the month, they anticipate that Bitcoin is climbing back up again. So is MicroStrategy, and that we will close above that $235 strike price. Here's what it looks like on Optionstrat. We put in MicroStrategy, a short put out to April 4th, 2025. We collect a net credit of $3,000 up front. At the close today, it was already up 7.8%. The current delta on this is 41. This is a calculated risk. Again, in my opinion, the share price would have to drop below 205 for this trade to lose money. And 4 weeks of time value for MicroStrategy. It's not quite 4 weeks, just shy of 4 weeks worth of time value that we're selling on MicroStrategy for it to close above 235 for a 100% profit. Again, to me, I believe that we will be above 235 in that time frame. This is my opinion. I'm not telling you guys that it will for sure, or this isn't me giving you the investment advice. This is why I decided to take this trade. You could, at that point, if you decided, hey, it's below $235, I don't want to get assigned these shares, you could elect to roll it for another 30 days out to, what would that be, around May 4th. May the 4th be with you. And you could elect to roll it out for approximately another, like I said, another 30 days and collect that extrinsic or time value in the process. So I hope that you found value in this today. Again, if you did, make sure you like and comment on the video. What'd you like best? What could I do better in the breakdowns? Make sure you're subscribed to this channel so that you don't miss a thing. Again, it's G Dinero Coaching on YouTube as well as on the website. You can go there to book a course with me. I teach a course on TradingView and technical analysis. I teach a course also on options, understanding options, everything from buying and selling options to all the terminology and everything in between. So you can do that or book an individual appointment with me, again, at gdinerocoaching.com. Here's to you increasing your financial literacy so that you can help you and your family on that path to financial freedom. Again, G Dinero out. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.